Good morning, students. Welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to be talking on trigonometry. An aspect of trigonometry. You know, trigonometry is broad. Okay, so we are going to be talking on sine and cosine rule. Let's start with sine rule. What is sine rule? Sine rule states that the ratio of the sine of an angle to its side is equal to the ratio of the sine of another angle to its side and is equal to the ratio of the third angle to its side. This is what I'm saying. Let's consider this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This is the angle A. This is the angle B, and this is angle C. The side facing this angle is small letter A. The side facing this angle is small letter B, and the side facing this angle is small letter C. So the rule says the sine of an angle over its side, sine A over A is the side facing this angle, is equal to the sine of the second angle over its side, B, small letter B is the side, which is equal to the sine of the third angle over its side. Okay, that is sine rule. Now, let's talk about the conditions for using sine rule. Now, if you want to use sine rule, you can use sine rule when two angles are given and a side. Two angles and one side. If they are given, you can use sine rule. Or, if you are given two angles, or two sides rather, you are given two sides and one angle that is not an included angle. Two sides and one angle that is not an included angle. What do I mean by included angle? Now, if I'm given this side, I'm given this side, the included angle is this one. The angle between two sides is the included angle. But if you are not given an included angle, but you are given two sides, you can use sine rule. So let's go again. You can use sine rule where you are given two angles and one side, or two sides and one angle that is not an included angle. Now let's take an example. Okay, let's look at this example. In triangle ABC, angle A is 29 degrees, angle B is 36 degrees, the side B is 15.8 centimeters. We have to find side A. Okay, now let's draw the triangle. That's the triangle. We have A, B, C. So angle A is 29, this is 29 degrees. Angle B is 36, this is 36 degrees. And we are not given angle C. Okay, we are given side B. This is side B, 15.8 centimeters. That's all. So we have to find side A. Okay, so we use our sine rule. Sine A over small a equals to sine B over small letter b. Sine A, that's sine 29 over A, that's what we are looking for, the side, equals to sine 36 over, what's the side? 15.8. We cross multiply. A sine 36 equals to 15.8 sine 29. We divide both sides by sine 36, so A equals to 15.8 times sine 29 over 15.8 sine 29 over sine 36. Okay, so we press our calculator. Wait, should I? 15.8 times sine 29, sine 29.4848 over sine 0.5878.0 centimeter. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you. So let's talk about cosine rule now. We are given a triangle A, B, C. This is the side facing angle A. This is the side facing angle C. and this is the side, small letter b, facing angle B. Now, when you are given, you use cosine rule when you are given two sides. You are given, let's assume we are given side B and side C, and an included angle, the angle between them. You know, I told you earlier that included angle means the angle between two sides. So you use cosine rule when you are given two sides and an included angle. Okay, so assuming we have to find this side A, so a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. That is cosine rule. Now, assuming we are given side C and A and we are to find B, then b squared equals to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos B. And if you are to find this side C, given side B and side A, then c squared equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos C. Okay, that is cosine rule. All right, so let's take a look at one example under cosine rule. Now look at it. I said when you are given two sides and an included angle, two sides and an included angle. This is the side, this is side, and this is the angle between. Okay, so we have to find side A, the side facing angle A. So a squared equals to b squared from the formula plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. Let's put the values. What is b? The side facing B, angle B. That's 3 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 3 times 5 cos angle A, 49 degree. Okay, so 3 squared, that's 9, plus 5 squared, 25, minus 2 times 3 times 5, that's 30, times cos 49, 0.6561. Okay, 9 plus 25, that's 34, minus, multiply 30 times 0.656, 19.68. Okay, so let's subtract 19.68 from 34. That's 14.32. Don't forget that this is a square. Okay, then we find a by taking the square root of both sides, 14.3. So a equals to 3.8 centimeters. You see that it's very simple. Okay, when you are given two sides and an included angle, you use your cosine formula. Thank you all. God bless.